Alright guys, I'm Mr. Schneevely. I'll be your teacher today. Well, you know what? You can just call me Mr. S, alright? And today, we'll be learning about music. Alright guys, and this is a G chord right here. Yeah, very interesting.
What's going on in here?
Oh, we're just learning some broadcasting. Yeah.
Why do you have a guitar in your hand?
Well, it's a new method I've been using to teach the kids some broadcasting.
Oh, so do you mind if I sit in a class this afternoon?
Yeah, come back this afternoon.
No, it's the afternoon now.
Well, welcome then. Sit in. Film is a wonderful thing. Film is a really cool thing. An SD card goes where in the camera? Tori.
The back.
And you never wanna have bad
Headroom?
And on the computer, the shortcut to cut. What is the answer, Gianna?
B.
No, it's A.
No, it's B.
Yes, I was testing you. It's B. And it's the magic letter. I'm Jack Black, and welcome to Open House.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, everyone.